Alright, here we go. Got another one for y'all. This is Winchester's Deer Season XP 300 Blackout, 150 grain. Gonna do the flower rice and get the speed on it with the bullets flying out and see how it goes. Alright, so y'all stick around and stay tuned. Here we go, Deer Season XP 300 Blackout. Just doing a flower rice catch and just gonna double check the feet per second on it. Shooting at about 50 yards. And here we go. See what we can get. And we got an error. And that didn't even pick it up. Blowing out nice holes in the flower. And oh, save that. Oh, double. And we got it. Alright, here we go. Got the 300 Blackout Deer Season XP with the flower rice. No speed on that. The chrono was acting funky. But the bullets are being consistent on being very gnarly, which is very cool. As you can see, they're almost doing the same thing, pretty much. So that's nice to know that they're doing that. So let's get some expansion going on here. Almost 3/4. If y'all can see that, that is a wow. And that one is 6/4. If you can see it, if not, it's 6/4. Good expansion, real good expansion. Let's catch out the weight on these 150s. Now it's gonna have a little bit of flour and whatnot in it, but it will. Alright, first one, we got a little bit of wind going. I have 150, we're at 143. You know, subtract a little bit for a little bit of flour and denim that's in there. And the next one is at 141.8. You know, a little bit less for the flour and denim. Ain't a whole lot. So these are actually holding on to their weight really well. If you can find these, when you can find these, buy them, use them for hunting. They're definitely a good bullet. So there you go. That is the flower rice minus the speed expansion test from the Bohemian Hunting Club.